to download and install Brave browser in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Brave browser, how to download and install it in Windows 11 and Windows 10. First, launch your browser and go to Microsoft Store. We will download Microsoft Brave browser through Microsoft Store free version. Open Microsoft Store. Here look for Brave browser. Type in search box Brave browser and click on search result Brave browser. Click on install button. It will bring you Microsoft Store page, and here again click on install and let the Microsoft Store complete the downloading and installing procedure. The file size of this Brave browser is 113.2 MB. Once downloading and installing complete, would you like to pin Brave browser on taskbar? Choose yes or no as per your choice. It will pin to your taskbar. Thereafter close the windows and launch Brave browser through taskbar, and Brave browser will successfully open on your Windows 10 11 screen. You can set Brave browser as a default browser. From here click on set Brave as default browser, otherwise choose skip. You can also easily import bookmarks, extensions, even saved password from your old browser. Select, and now your Brave browser is open. Here various feature and settings you can change. Turn on Brave News and other feature as per your choice. Choose from here. That's all.